There are times in Excel where you have long column headings. There are a couple of ways to handle that. One way is to select the columns where you have the long headings, and you can auto fit those. Just double click in between any of the column headers there, and that will auto fit it to the longest column entry, which in this case is the column heading in each column. That's good, and that way works really well, except sometimes it leaves a little bit too much white space in between the columns. And if you think that's the case, I'm going to undo that. We can wrap the text in the column headings. I'm going to select each column heading, choose Wrap Text, and you can see that it's wrapping the text nicely in those columns. You can always adjust the widths of the columns from there as well. So that looks nice. I'm going to go back and show you a little something else with the wrap text. I'm going to auto fit these. So if you start out with the auto fit and you realize you want to go in and wrap the text, that's not exactly how you want it, and you want to wrap the text. What I'll do is go here and wrap the text. You can see that it's not doing anything. What you'll need to do is decrease the column width, and you still don't see all of the column heading, and that's because it's wrapped on multiple lines, and in that case you need to increase the row height. I'll go here and double click. You can see that it's adjusted the row height. I can go in and do the others the same way and decrease the column width so that those are now all wrapped.